connected with C is connected with A is connected with B is connected with C, and C is connected with B, and means let's say complexity that you are unable to remove this complexity. Like A is connected with the others, other A's and other parts, and it is it is a totally complex. This is not a you can see like this is not a simple that you can elaborate and you can find, but you can take an example like cryptocurrency is also based on blockchain. What is the major difference that we can differentiate both cryptocurrency and the investment of cryptocurrency and mutual funds? Both are different, bro. These two platforms are different to each other. The major reason is that cryptocurrency is based upon, and there is no any company, and there is no any there is only just system who is working. Like suppose someone is buying more crypto, like the price of crypto will increase. Okay, if someone like more people are just selling their crypto, so the price will low. So this is the fluctuation, and you can see sometimes people are just buying more currency, and sometimes they are selling more currency, and this is the in this fluctuation that people are also making profits. And in this fluctuation some people are who are not aware about this, and they are just losing their money. Okay, so this is the actual difference between mutual fund and crypto. Okay, I'm just talking about like if someone is just buying currency and he just and he's not aware about like how I can and what is the exact time for me to sell. If someone is just thinking that I have to sell because currency is up in the level now, but immediately you can see that currency will down automatically. Okay, so at that time you can also face some losses, and this is the mastermind sets, and you have to fully focused on that if you are trading on cryptocurrency. But in another sector like mutual funds, there is a like a security that you can see. Like if you are investing your money in any platform, like who is growing daily. Okay, who is suppose I want to invest my money through mutual through any platform, there are so many platforms who are providing you to make trades. Okay, so I just want to invest my money on Geo. Okay, Reliance. So you can see like now the Geo is increasing day by day. So this is the future, like we can see this is a secure future. And Geo is increasing day by, obviously if a company is increasing, so the shareholder will also increase. Okay, shareholder shares, if you are buying any shares, if you are buying some shares of Geo, so it will grow automatically. And sometime it will the market will fluctuate, but yeah, you can see you can trust this company because it is growing immediately, it is growing fast. And yeah, so many things that you can see because you are working and you are investing your money through the belief of your company that you have chosen. Okay, so this is the major difference both of cryptocurrency and mutual fund. Cryptocurrency